Yeah, it's auto shop. I got my oil change stuff. I do whatever I need to do. I got my woodworking stuff set up so I can build things. I built the, I get entertainment center, DVD storage units in my house. Came on a flatbed. My brother-in-law's got a tractor, so he unloaded it, set it out there in the corner. Got the concrete poured. Dad and a couple of friends came over and we put the arches up. Dad and I did the back wall and the front wall and the framework and the rest of that. Took, I don't know, 2 or 3 days to put it up. Well, I got my saws and table saws. That was the best deal I could find. It's supposed to withstand like 100-mile-an-hour winds for like the hurricane, if a hurricane ever comes. I'm gonna hide in here when a hurricane comes. It's been pretty good. I like it.